Hi, I'm Austin Hawk. I'm a director of photography at Chamber Media. So this is a teleprompter. We use it when there's really complicated or really large amounts of dialogue. It's always best to have an actor be prepared with their lines, but sometimes a production, for whatever reason, professional or amateur, will get behind, and you need to use one of these guys. As far as getting the glass to work with a screen, we use an iPad Pro 12.9 inch, which gives the actor really big font to work with. And we use an app called Teleprompter Pro, but there's plenty of different teleprompter apps depending on your personal needs. One thing you have to remember about using teleprompters, a lot of people want to get as many words on the screen as possible, but that actually will cause tracking with the eyes, so it'll look like they're talking like this. And so to avoid that, you enlarge the words and speed up the font so that it tracks faster, and that helps their eyes stay in the middle of the line so that it looks natural when they're talking to you. Thanks for watching. For any of your media needs, or if you have any questions at all, just hit us up at chamber.media.